Today we're diving into the art of crafting compelling YouTube descriptions using the power of ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting, this guide will help you create engaging, SEO-friendly descriptions that attract viewers and boost your video performance. Let's get started. First, we need an introduction. This should be a brief, attention-grabbing summary of what viewers can expect from the video. So let's ask ChatGPT right here for help, right now. So here is the prompt that I put together. So let me paste it right here. So I'll ask, write an engaging introduction for YouTube video description about, here's the title, top 10 tips for a productive morning routine. So let's see how this goes based on what I asked. Depends on what ChatGPT would generate. Here we go. So you can see right here, this is everything. There's from the introduction and how it's going to hype the viewers on what they will be watching. Yeah, look at that. ChatGPT gave us a perfect introduction that highlights what the video is about and teases the content highlights that are mostly talked about that will be looking forward for the viewers. Perfect. Now let's move on to the next part. Next, we need a summary of the video content. This helps viewers know exactly what they'll learn, keeping them hooked. Let's ask ChatGPT to summarize the main points. So here's what I put together through a prompt. Provide a brief summary of the top 10 tips for a productive morning routine video content. As usual, it depends on what ChatGPT would generate based on what I exactly put together per word through this prompt. So let's see. Here we go. Here's the main points, the summary of this. It goes from wake up early, plan your day, yada, yada, yada. And yeah, fantastic. ChatGPT has outlined the main points clearly. This summary not only keeps viewers informed, but also sets the stage for what they'll gain from watching the entire video. So let's keep going. Now let's focus on keywords. These are crucial for SEO, helping your video appear in search results and reach a broader audience. So let's ask ChatGPT once again for relevant keywords. So here's what I asked. Suggest relevant keywords for YouTube video description about top 10 tips for a productive morning routine. Same as usual. So let's see how this goes. So you can see here are the following that ChatGPT has recommended for us. Avoid digital distractions, energizing morning routine, so on and so forth. And yeah, great. These keywords will help us optimize the description for search engines. So now let's ask ChatGPT once again to integrate them naturally into our text. So here's another one that I put together. Here's what I asked. Integrate these keywords into an engaging YouTube description for a video about, same as usual, here's the video topic right here. So yeah, so let's see how ChatGPT would restructure with the keywords into a description beautifully, or that it's well done. Here we go. And yeah, perfect. Look at that. See all the bold words right here? These are the keywords that ChatGPT had recommended earlier. That's great. Perfect. So our description is now packed with valuable information and optimized for search engines. But we're not done yet. Before doing so, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Finally, we need a call to action, or CTA. This encourages viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. which boosts engagement and helps build your community. Here's another prompt that I'd like to show you. Write a CTA for YouTube description about, you guessed it, once again, top 10 tips for a productive morning routine. So here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would generate based on this. Pretty interesting. That's quite a strong CTA there, ChatGPT. So this encourages interaction and helps grow your audience just to keep your channel and your videos maintain its strong traction. Great. Now, let's go put everything together. Now let's ask ChatGPT to combine everything we've generated into a full, compelling YouTube description. We've come so far, and now let's ask ChatGPT once more with this. Combine the introduction summary, keywords, and CTA into a full YouTube description for a video about top 10 tips for a productive morning routine. Perfect. Let's see the final results for this. Here we go. As you can see, here's the intro. There's the summary right here. There we go. And it's currently processing. There's the CTA, everything. And yeah, perfect. Our description is now packed with valuable information, optimized for search engines, and ready to engage our viewers. And there you have it, a compelling SEO-friendly YouTube description crafted using ChatGPT. Remember, a great description not only informs your viewers, but also helps your video gets discovered.